All right, this your man, DJ Hoodrich, coming to you with another video on my ADDER, on my Cobra R, repeating crossbow. I did a video yesterday because I just got this chronograph in, and I didn't have it level. So my readings were coming out wrong. So today I have it level. I got a tripod for it, but I'm just setting it on this table. I'm shooting through the house into the garage, which is exactly 19.8 yards. So we'll say 20 yards away. And yesterday I was shooting at like 150, 170. So what I did today, I took the limb and the string on the limb, I tightened it up. Because before I think I had 6 winds. Now I have like 15 winds on the string. So let's see what it shoots today. All right. So I'm going to try to do this one-handed. I have the speed loader. You put the speed loader in on the top. Make sure I got this. So you pull back. They drop in. It's loaded. 7 arrows loaded. I'm going to refill the mag for the next, but we're going to shoot now. So let's go over here and put it on the chronograph. So that was my last shot. It said 259. Get this. Okay. There we go. So I'm going to cock it. Put it in. Aim at the target. 268. That's much better. Let's try it again. 267. Now this thing is kicking. 270. $266. 267. Let's see if we can't get a duplicate in here. 271. All right. 265. All right, that was 7 shots. Okay. So there you have it. Now we're gonna load some more arrows. Some more bolts into the speed loader. That's how it goes. Just drop them in. See these 6. All right, that's 7 into the speed loader. Let's open this back up. Take it. We got 7 in here. And we put it back on the top. We pull back, drop it in. 7 loaded in. Well, let's shoot 7 more arrows. Oh, you know what? Let's see how good this zoom is. Focus. Now figure out how to do manual focus on here. There we go. Okay. Now I'm gonna aim. Before I was just shooting, I'm aiming at the center. The table moved it. All right. Let me take it off the table. Now I'm shooting a freehand, not on the table. That was 260 on the chronograph. 268. Oh, you know what? I gotta. $266. $272. Here, to verify. 272 on that last one. All right, 272. 268. Put on the verify. Where'd it go? There you go, 268 on that one. $259. And that's it. I'm empty. So there you have it. Let's zoom.